In order to do work where you live, you may need to have certain certifications. Let's talk about one of the more common certifications out there, and that being the NICET certification. So we're going to be looking at level 3 certification. The perspective that you should have, or that NICET's going to have on you as a level 3 candidate, is that you are a senior level technician. You are no longer boots on the ground, so to speak, but in charge of the boots on the ground. You are going to be the one in charge of a project. Now, in order to get the certification, you got to have 5 years of experience in the field of fire alarm systems. You also have to have passing scores of the level 1, 2, 3 exams, as well as the certifications for level 1 and 2 in order to get level 3. No skipping steps. You got to start at the bottom, work your way up. Going into the level 3 exam, you have 4 code books that you can bring in. NFPA 72, the NEC, the IBC, and NFPA 101. NICET will allow you to bring in any edition of these code books. I recommend bringing in 72's 2022 edition, 70's 2020 edition, and for the IBC and NFPA 101, both of those are the 2021 edition. I recommend those because those are the editions they are pulling their questions for the exam from. Now, going into the level 3 exam, you're going to have 115 questions. It's 170 minutes long. You're going to roughly have about 1.5 minutes per question, which is not a lot of time to answer everything or to be able to get through everything. This is where having a tabbed reference and putting tabs in your books is really going to help you out on the timing. NICET allows you to have tabbing in the code books, but they do say that those tabs have to be permanent, meaning that if they were try to remove the tabs from the page, it would cause damage. You're also allowed to highlight in your code books, but you are not permitted to have any handwriting in the code books. Level 3 has the highest failure rate of any of the NICET exams because of how different the perspective at level 3 is versus levels 1 and level 2. Now, going into the exam, you want to prepare yourself for the ability to understand how to answer the questions. On the installation side, they are not looking at so much of what you do, but your ability to supervise others, your ability to understand how to read drawings as well as do drawings yourselves. Maintenance information, management of a maintenance team, the documentation process behind maintenance of inspection, testing, and service. Submittal and preparation, being able to do the shop drawings, look at the shop drawings and be able to understand them, the calculations needed to present all of your design information, as well as how to do some of that project management calculation. Coordinating of work, supervision of the team, these are all types of things that are going to come up in your exam. October of 2025, we're going to be holding our next National Training Conference in Las Vegas. If you're interested, please log on to nationaltrainingcenter.net and check it out there.